In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on BingX. First, create your BingX account and complete identity verification if your purchase method requires it. BingX's official card payment FAQ says KYC is mandatory for your first credit or debit card purchase, and BingX's buying guides also show that you need to be logged in before you can access the buy features. So before anything else, sign into your account and make sure your verification is done if prompted. Next, choose the buying method that works best for you. BingX currently supports several ways to buy crypto, including bank cards, P2P trading, and in some regions, bank-based fiat options. BingX's own guides explain that card purchase is usually the simplest option for beginners, while P2P can be useful if you want more payment choices or local currency flexibility. If you want the easiest method, go to Buy Crypto and select the card purchase option. BingX's official tutorial says, the basic flow is to choose your fiat currency, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter either the payment amount or the crypto amount, and then continue to payment. BingX also says, card purchases currently support major cards like Visa and Mastercard, as long as the card supports online and international payments. When you get to the payment screen, add your bank card, review the quote, and confirm the purchase. BingX notes that available fees, limits, and supported currencies can vary by region and verification level, so the exact options you see may be different from another user's account. In many cases, people buy USDT first and then swap or trade that into another coin later. If you prefer to use P2P, the process is a little different. BingX's P2P guide says you should go to Buy Crypto, then P2P Trading, choose Buy, select your fiat currency and amount, compare seller listings, and then start the transaction with the seller you want. P2, P can give you more payment choices, but you should always follow the payment instructions carefully and only confirm payment after you have actually sent the funds. After the purchase is completed, your crypto will appear in the appropriate BingX account balance. From there, you can keep it, transfer it, or use it for spot trading depending on what you want to do next. Before confirming any purchase, always double-check the coin, the amount, the payment method, and the final price, because rates and fees can change before you complete the order. So the simple version is this: sign in, complete KYC if needed, choose Buy Crypto, pick either card or P2P, enter your amount, review the details, and confirm the purchase. That's the basic way to buy crypto on BingX. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.